So I'm having to play about with this EI Fortress today. It is one of the ones that I've been using to practice on, as you can probably tell by the bit of tape over there. So we are going to try unsighted. It was more about playing with this new turning tool that I made this morning. Got a couple of factory made turning tools and I've been okay with them, but they just didn't feel great. Decided to try and make one of these, and for the few minutes effort it feels like it makes a big difference to me. Reset, let's try that again. And we're open. If I can get this out. Anyway, done. So this little tool here